Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about why commercial roof proposals are over budget and what options you have. This is really kind of a highlight of a case study we recently did. It's Metzenbaum Center in Geauga, Ohio. They reached out to a bunch of roofing contractors and asked for bids, and every single one of them was over budget. And you know, it's just a difficult project to do. But what other options did they have? So they decided to go with a spray foam roofing system because there's some advantages that has over other roofing systems. But why was it so difficult to do this project? They had multiple buildings with different roofing systems installed. They had different levels of slope. They had a high number of penetration, so a lot of HVAC units, a lot of pipes, a lot of skylights. That's difficult to roof around. A lot of ductwork on the roof, and a lot of roof transitions between the levels. So that's probably the reason why some of the proposals that came in were all over budget. But when we came back and proposed spray foam, kind of blew their mind. They're under budget a little bit, but you know, why was the spray foam roofing system, why did it come under budget? Like, what advantages do they have? The first thing, it minimizes the tear off of the existing roof. So the other contractors wanted to completely rip off the roof and put a new one on. Very expensive to tear off, transport it to a landfill, and then put a whole new system on there. With spray foam, we only identified the bad areas of the roof, the saturated areas, and then clean the roof and then spray foam over everything. So reducing tear off makes a project more cost effective. And then spray foam is quickly installed. As you know, time is money, and with spray foam being able to be installed around 50% faster than traditional roofing, depending on weather conditions. But when a system can be installed a lot quicker, it definitely reduces the cost of the proposal. So if you want to learn more about the Metzenbaum project, please click the link in the description. It'll give you all the details you need to know. And thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.